Starting with AI automation does not require coding, advanced math, or technical background. What it does require is clear thinking and process awareness. Okay, so let's start it. Step one, identify repetitive or time-consuming tasks. The best AI automation opportunities are tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, or semi-predictable, time-consuming, low creativity, high volume. Examples: answering emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, social media posting, lead follow-ups, research, and summarization. If you do something more than 5 times a week, it's candidate for automation. Step two, break the task into steps. Before using AI, you must understand the workflow. For example, email handling: receive email, identify intent, fetch relevant data, generate responses, send reply, log the interaction. So if you have a common question here, like where is my order? How do I reset my password? What are your business hours? How do I reach out to you? AI automation works best when each step is clearly defined, and it will learn and adapt and improve their accuracy. Step three, choose the right AI tools. Okay. As a beginner, you don't need complex platforms. Start with tools that offer no code or low code automation, built in AI models, easy integrations. Common beginner friendly tools include AI Assistant, like Notion AI Assistant for text decisions analysis, automation platforms like Zapier or Make for connecting tools. AI agent or workflows like ChatGPT for multi-step tasks. Okay, the goal is not to use many tools. It's to connect a few tools intelligently. Okay. And step four, start with one simple automation. Do not try to automate everything at once. Good beginner examples: automatically summarizes meeting notes, generate content drafts from prompts, respond to FAQs as we mentioned before, extract insights from documents. Build one small workflow, test it, refine it, then expand. Step five, add intelligence gradually. Once the basic automation works, enhance it with logic. Add conditions like if user intent equals X, do Y. Add personalization. Add learning from past data. Add decision scoring. This is where automation becomes AI automation. Step six, monitor, improve, and scale. AI automation is not quote unquote set it and forget it. It's not an investment. You should monitor outputs, review mistakes, improve prompts and logic, expand automation to related tasks. Over time, a simple automation can evolve into full AI system handling entire workflows. Why AI automation matters? The big picture. AI automation is not about replacing humans. It's about removing boring work, increasing speed and accuracy, scaling output without scaling costs, allowing humans to focus on strategy and creativity. Businesses, creators, freelancers, and even individuals who adopt AI automation early gain a massive leverage advantage. Those who ignore it will still work harder, just not smarter. Okay? So final takeaway, AI automation is simply teaching machines to think and act within defined processes. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be expert. You just need to start small and think in systems. Once you do, you will realize that AI automation isn't the future. It's already here. And beginners who start now will be the ones ahead tomorrow. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you already know what to do. See you in the next one.